Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to send money from Wise to TNG Wallet. And TNG Wallet is something that they use in Malaysia and it's now called Do It Now. So we are going to send money, but before sending money, you need to use a verified account. So what we're going to do right now is we click right here on send and then we write down MYR and then we do Malaysia right there. Then we do 100 euros, for example, and then we do add recipient. And then right here, you find right here the option Do It Now ID. So what we're going to do is we select right here this option and now we can search right here for someone that we need to send money to. So fill in right here his or her phone number, then click on that person, then do next, and then he will send us to the review page right here. Check all the details right there, and when it's fine and the details are correct, then click on continue and then he will send you to the payment page where you can do your payments. Then after that, click on accept and then you did your transfer, and that was exactly why you clicked on this video. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.